everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video. February is only a few days shorter than the rest, but I feel like I just filmed my January favorites, but it is in fact time for another favorites video. And as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys, and if you've missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have the playlist for that linked down below as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First up are the vitamins I've been taking. These are the Centrum Multi Gummies for women. My doctor told me it's really important to take a vitamin. I do already take vitamin D every day, but he said it wouldn't hurt to take a multivitamin, and these ones are good. Some of them are absolutely disgusting. Got it from Walmart and it came with an extra week free. And these ones are the cherry, berry, and orange ones. And on the front it just says they are for energy, immunity, metabolism, and a healthy appearance. I also have a school favorite, and it is these are just the Post-it tabs, and they are the 1.5 inch by 0.625 inch ones. And this is actually my 4th pack this month. These are really great for marking down certain things. I use them in my textbooks, my notebooks. I've been using them to study for my board exam, which I have videos all about that linked down below in a playlist. I've also been using them on assignments to point to certain things and flag certain things, use them in my planner, and I've been going through them so fast, and there are a total of 40 in here. I mentioned in my last month's favorites that I'm obsessed with llamas and alpacas, we all know that, and I had showed you guys a llama mug, and I also had mentioned I got llama sheets as well, but they were in the wash. They are out of the wash right now, just for right now though, because I just took them off my bed and washed them, and these are what they look like. They are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they are just white sheets with gray llamas that have purple blankets on them, and they're adorable. And lastly, for random favorites, are a breakfast item. These are the Belvita breakfast sandwiches, and these ones are the dark chocolate cream ones, and let me tell you, these things are delicious. It's literally like having a Pepperidge Farm Milano cookie for breakfast. They are so good. I mean, they aren't the best for you because they have 230 calories, and they're just really nice. They're filling. They're great to just grab and go, especially on days when I'm running late for school. Next, I just have 6 beauty related favorites. The first one is the makeup bag I've been using. This is just what it looks like on the inside. I do have a few face products and some random products, but I absolutely love this bag. It is one that my mom used to use, I think when she was my age, and she's kept it, and it's in such good condition still. It's just a blue, maroon, and green plaid, and it is from Gap. On the inside, it has the PUL lining, so you don't have to worry about anything spilling out of it. I have a hair favorite, and these are from Conair, and they are just alligator hair clips, and I've been using these a ton lately for straightening my hair, and these come in super handy. I think they came in a pack of 6, and I think it was only like $2.99 or something, and I just got them from Target. And the point of these ones is that they're supposed to like not make marks in your hair, which I can definitely say they don't. And I used to be one of those people that would use like 50 different ponytails when straightening their hair to section it off, but now all I have to do is use these. I have a skincare favorite, and this is a cream. I featured this in its own video on how to get rid of dry skin during the winter, and I will leave that down below for you guys. And ever since, I've just been using it non-stop. This is just the First Aid Beauty Ultra Berry Air Cream, and it is so unique. It is literally like fluffy, and it is just super moisturizing. Doesn't leave a film on your skin, and it's for sensitive skin. It's fragrance free and allergy tested, so I don't have to worry about it breaking me out. I've literally been using it all month, haven't had a single issue. My skin is no longer dry, and I just love it. And then to finish off my favorites for the month, I have 3 makeup favorites. The first one is a lip product, and it is actually what is on my lips right now and what has been on my lips every single day this month, and it is one of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams, and this is in the color Rome. This has been a holy grail lip product of mine for probably close to 3 years now. I absolutely love it. It is the perfect color. It is a neutral color that you can wear every day, any day, for any occasion. I also have an eyebrow favorite. Up until recently, I wasn't big on doing my brows because I was never good at it, and when I did them, they always looked really scary, but I was looking for a new eyebrow pencil, and I was gonna spend the money on the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but that is expensive, and I'm not ready to pay that amount of money just to fill in my eyebrows, because I found this instead. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil. One end has the eyebrow stuff, and then one end has the spoolie, and mine is in the shade neutral brown, and let me tell you, my brows aren't perfect. They never will be. I do not know what I'm doing when it comes to brows, nor do I really want to spend the amount of time people people actually spend doing their brows. I just want to fill in the sparse areas and make them look somewhat even, and that's what I'm able to do with this. And lastly is an eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I absolutely love this. I do only have the little travel size. It is like a mixture between a felt tip eyeliner and a brush pen eyeliner, and I absolutely love it. I also love that it is waterproof, and it is the eyeliner that I actually have on my eyes right now. So those are just my favorites for the month of February. This month flew by. I can't believe it's already March. Spring break is just around the corner, and I am so excited to finally have a break from school. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!